two-step process to can type in search bar problem in Windows 10. Right click on start icon, then select task manager, select services tab, scroll down and right click on Windows search and click on restart. Close this window, right click on start icon, select run, then type services.msc and click on OK. Then scroll down and right click on Windows search, then select properties, select startup type as automatic, click on apply and then OK. Close this window, right click on start icon and click on run, then type PowerShell and click on OK. Also right click on PowerShell and click on run as administrator. It will open new Windows PowerShell. Then you will get these all commands in the description below. Copy the first command, then right click here, select edit and click on paste and hit enter. Then select second command, copy it, right click here, go to edit and paste and hit enter. It will take some time to complete its process. Then select third command, copy it, right click here, go to edit and paste it and hit enter. After that, close all windows and your problem will be solved. You're good to go.